Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 10 home remedies for dandruff. Dandruff can be a frustrating and embarrassing condition, but there are many natural remedies that can help alleviate the symptoms. So, let's get started. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal properties that can help reduce dandruff. Simply mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help balance the pH of your scalp and reduce the growth of yeast. Mix equal parts of water and apple cider vinegar and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it out. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe an itchy scalp. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda can help exfoliate the scalp and reduce dandruff. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with water to create a paste and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for 10 minutes before washing it out. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil can help moisturize the scalp and reduce dandruff. Massage warm coconut oil into your scalp and leave it on overnight before washing it out in the morning. 6. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has natural acids that can help exfoliate the scalp and reduce dandruff. Apply fresh lemon juice to your scalp and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before washing it out. 7. Yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics that can help reduce the growth of yeast on the scalp. Apply plain yogurt to your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. 8. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds contain antifungal properties that can help reduce dandruff. Soak a handful of fenugreek seeds in water overnight and grind them into a paste in the morning. Apply the paste to your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. 9. Olive oil. Olive oil can help moisturize the scalp and reduce dandruff. Massage warm olive oil into your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. 10. Neem oil. Neem oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help reduce dandruff. Mix a few drops of neem oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. Conclusion. So, those are the top 10 home remedies for dandruff. Remember to patch test these remedies on a small area of your skin first to ensure you are not allergic to any of the ingredients. If your dandruff persists, it is recommended to consult a dermatologist. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.